Today, I want to raise my voice against very cruel and horrific incidents that my baby Brittany and me suffered by Ola drivers' cruelty. The most disappointing and emotionally draining days in my life. The series of incidents made me see the worst of Ola drivers' attitude towards animals. Ola's drivers, one after the other, refused to take my fur baby to the vet, who was in a deadly condition. We had bedsheet to cover the seat so that there's no issues regarding hair and hygiene. We were even ready to pay double the fare. Despite requesting and begging them, they let her suffer in pain. They refused to take her into the car. I was helplessly crying to help Brittany. One driver even goes to the extent of saying, "Marne do, main kya karu?" This left me stunned. Brittany was diagnosed with last stage pyometra, which is a deadly disease, takes a dog's life from healthy to dead in just 4 days. With liver and WBC complications, the only way out to save her life was an extremely complicated surgery. Post-surgery, she was diagnosed with tick fever. Her liver treatment and survival was an IV, and she wasn't eating anything. Even painkillers and antibiotics had to be given through drips. Her liver was in such a condition where any delay in her IV treatment would have caused organ failure. Post-surgery, she was in extreme pain, and in the morning we had to rush her to the vet. She wasn't able to even get up. She was crying out of pain. In a situation of emergency, it's everybody's responsibility. I've suffered the most stressful and heartbreaking days of my life. I could see my baby suffering, but I was completely helpless because of the inhumanly behavior of Ola drivers. When repeatedly Ola drivers cancelled our rides in scorching heat. They refused to take Brittany even after seeing her crying and the critical condition which led us to rush her to the hospital, where she needed immediate medical attention. Even after seeing the deadly condition of Brittany, drivers passed as if nothing happened. How can someone not feel the pain of the other being? It was the most horrific thing to undergo or to even witness. This same Ola runs a promotional campaign called Ola Heroes, in which a driver is shown saving a stray and titled as Saving Humans' Best Companion. On one hand, they endorse themselves as saviors. On another hand, they don't care about animals who are fighting with life and death. What kind of a hypocrisy is this? If we cancel a ride by any reason, Ola will have cancellation charges or penalty. What is the penalty if Ola driver cancels the ride after accepting the ride due to his prejudice towards one of the passengers? That too in an emergency situation like mine. I want justice for Brittany and me, because this is not only my concern, but it concerns millions of pet parents and pets in India. They suffer the same problem. I've been facing this issue of Ola not allowing Brittany since many years, but this time it was an extreme emergency, and as my parents were out of town, we had no other option than traveling by Ola. We thought, seeing her deadly condition, the drivers would have some mercy to help us out. Forget about mercy. The drivers behaved just like stones, no emotions. If Ola company intends not to ride the voiceless animals, they should be loud and clear about it. Don't act like hypocrites. Some people might not relate to the agony I underwent, but the most apt description is, how would you feel if your brother, sister, who is in need of immediate medical help, is not eating, is not able to reach the hospital because of these inhuman drivers? Today it happened to Brittany. It can happen to any human being in medical distress. If Ola can't train their drivers enough, the company should be banned and nobody should use their services. We are taking legal action against Ola once the lockdown opens up. Please be the voice of Britney and share this video.